please be sure to like and subscribe so that we can make more of the content that you love. So today we're back to basics and we are making my nan's, Nan Doles, roast potatoes cooked in beef dripping. There isn't anything better. So our ingredients couldn't be more simple, with just white potatoes, beef dripping and some rock salt. First things first, let's peel our potatoes. Be sure to save your clippings and put them in a bag to take to the compost heap at the allotment. And let's cut our potatoes. We need them big and bulky as we're going to bash them up in a few moments. Add our potatoes to a saucepanful of cold water and sprinkle in a teaspoon of salt. And we'll now parboil our potatoes for between 5 and 8 minutes until they become slightly softer. Now let's drain our potatoes. Once they're drained, let's break them up a little so they can become fluffy. This allows them to absorb some fat. Now let's add our beef dripping to our potatoes and shake them up once again to ensure that they're nicely coated. And let's place our potatoes on a baking sheet. Ensure to give lots of space between each potato. The very important thing with these is when we're cooking them, we're not going to turn them. Now let's bake in our fan oven for about 45 minutes at 200. And here they are, extra crispy, just like my nan used to make. These bring back the best memories. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, maybe the like button, and give our video a little share. It helps us grow and it helps us deliver more content to you. Have a lovely day. That was Roots and Resilience, and I'm Dan.